How can you grow your Global Domains International? How can you grow it online? How can you do it using ChatGPT? It's simpler than you think. Okay, now first of all, if you join with this GDI Smart Rotator, why I like this is they give you a lot of wonderful content. They put out at this blog, they put information on it. Look at this. Top low ticket reoccurring programs that scale. That would be Global Domains International. It's low ticket, been around for 27 years. It is a good solid. It gives you reoccurring monthly income as you build it over time. And this gives you a wonderful article, wonderful breakdown. Okay. So what I did is I copied this article and I put it into ChatGPT. And I said, please rewrite this for LinkedIn. And I asked which would convert better, an article or a post. And it said a post does better when you're looking to get signups and engagement. And so it rewrote it for me in a post. Okay. And then I took it right here. Here's the post. Short post with the link to the article. And here's the back office where you can see your blog is right here. The blog is coded to you. So just make sure you have your when you click over to the article, make sure your username is in there. Okay. And then LinkedIn creates the post, and I just then I copied this picture and I saved it, and I put it right here. Now this also, you can do a video from this, just talking about most people fail online because they lack motivation. Or don't fail because they lack motivation. They fail because promoting is too expensive, too complicated, or too dependent on chasing people. That's why a simple, low-ticket, recurring models are getting so much attention right now. When the price is low, the value is clear, and the system helps do the heavy lifting. Something shifts. You're no longer starting over every month. You're building momentum. But here's what most people miss. Not all systems are built to help you grow. Some leave you doing everything all alone. Okay, this is great content. You can post this for LinkedIn. You can go back to ChatGPT and say, create a Facebook post. I like to put emojis in my Facebook post because it's more social. It's, LinkedIn is more professional. This is as easy as it gets, guys, for creating. You're not even creating the content. You're taking content that the Smart Rotator blog is giving you and asking you to rewrite it so that people will read it. And then you're linking it to this so that they can read the rest of it. And then you've got your link below this. I mean, this literally is as easy as it gets. Now up here you can see where I've got GDI Rotator. There's my GDI username, Carol Reve, and then blog, and then top low ticket reoccurring program. So just make sure you have your username in there. I had to actually put mine in just to make sure. Okay? But this is a great way to promote. You don't need to create everything from scratch. You don't need to recreate the wheel. Just take the wheel and tweak it a little bit. That's all. and then to redirect people to you. Okay? That's it for today. Click the link below if you're not in GDI and you want to start a $10 retirement plan, is what I call GDI. GDI is my $10 retirement plan and many of our $10 retirement plan. Click the link below and get started today for a free 7-day trial.